How to make studying fun, even if you hate it. Studying doesn't have to feel like a chore, even if you've never enjoyed it before. With a bit of creativity and enthusiasm, you can transform study sessions into something enjoyable, or dare we say it, fun. Here's how to make studying exciting, even if you've always dreaded it. First, gamify your study sessions. Turning your tasks into mini-games or challenges makes the process engaging. Set up rewards for achieving study milestones, like taking a short break after completing a section or treating yourself to a snack when you ace a practice quiz. The anticipation of a reward keeps motivation high and turns studying into a playful experience. Next, change your environment. Studying in the same dull spot every day can drain your enthusiasm. Explore new, inspiring locations, parks, cozy cafes, libraries, or even your backyard. A fresh setting can rejuvenate your mood and make study sessions feel more like an adventure. Another great tip is to make studying social. Forming a study group with friends can turn boring sessions into enjoyable gatherings. Not only will it make the time pass quickly, but discussing and teaching each other helps reinforce your understanding of the material. Plus, a little friendly competition might boost everyone's motivation. Embrace creativity in your study routine. Ditch traditional note-taking occasionally for something more imaginative like mind maps, colourful doodles, or catchy rhymes. Engaging your creative side helps cement information in your memory and makes studying much less tedious. Music can also transform your study experience. Curate a playlist filled with your favourite tunes or soothing instrumental music. Music has the magical ability to lift your spirits, maintain focus, and keep energy levels high. Just make sure it complements your concentration rather than distracts from it. Lastly, connect what you're studying to your passions or real-world interests. When the material feels relevant and meaningful, it sparks genuine curiosity and excitement. For example, if you're learning history, explore documentaries or podcasts related to the topic to see it from an exciting new perspective. So, even if studying has always felt tedious, give these strategies a try. Who knows? You might just find yourself eagerly looking forward to your next study session.